Hello, today we're gonna test about protein in our food samples. What we have? Rice, chicken, milk. Now we're gonna put the rice in the mortar and press it. After you press it with the mortar and pestle, you need to put this in a test tube. To eat it with a chicken. Put chicken in here.
กินมันเลย
Now we put milk.
ไม่ได้
Like this. We're gonna put sodium hydroxide about 2 ml in every test tube. Gonna put copper sulfate 5 to 6 drops into every test tube. And now you shake it. Now you see it's color blue. That is mean it's not contain protein. Come here and see. You see, this is a chicken that contains protein because the water is turn color into violet. Like this. Oh, milk. Milk is have protein because the water that I put in it is changed into color purple. That's all about my experimental. Thank you for watching.